Celeste.
And we are A&C with a twist.
Today we're going to be making cookies, but not any regular cookies. We're going to be trying to make DoubleTree by Hilton cookies because they released their recipe. And we're going to see if they taste like the real cookies that they serve. Are you ready for a challenge?
Don't do it! I had to do something. Okay, can you write my challenge?
We're twins though. I am me. She is she. Sometimes.
This is a challenge requested by
Titi Raquel. Also, we want to thank everybody who's sending us a bunch of recipes for us to try, and we're looking forward to trying as many as we can. So thank you very much. And if you have any more recipes you want us to try, comment them down below and subscribe
and share
and like. Let's get baking.
Our ingredients today are chocolate chips,
Oats,
2 eggs,
2 sticks of butter, unsalted,
brown sugar,
salt,
cinnamon,
baking soda,
flour,
granulated sugar,
and all-purpose flour.
Let's go bake now. Let's go bake now.
Okay, let's go bake.
Let's go bake now. Okay. Oh, we also need a hand mixer, or you can use a stand mixer. And if you haven't seen our other video where we made cookies and we used the hand mixer for the first time, it was an adventure. We're using a mixer for this. Apparently we have a hand mixer, so we're gonna use the hand mixer. Look at the wall. So you should go check it out.
First, we need 2 sticks of softened butter. Oh my God.
Splash. Time to put in the butter. Make some softened butter. And I touched the butter. I touched the butter. Get out.
Get out!
Get out!
There we go. Hold on. 2. Now we put in sugar.
We need a 3/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar.
3/4 cup. 3/4 cup of sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Please stop, dog. All right.
After you put your sugar and butter in, you're gonna put 3/4 cups of brown sugar.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
That's
It's
good.
not all packed down anyway.
3/4 cup.
Now it's time to mix all these ingredients up with the hand mixer for about 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes. I am a pro. Down. This is what it looks like. It's time to add our eggs. We only need 2 eggs. 1 egg. Oh my gosh, that's a really weird egg. We need 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon. Ta-da! We only have 2 eggs, but this 1 yolk looks like 2 yolks.
I have a special egg.
Very tilted. Oh gosh. Why do I always drop the camera? We need lemon juice. So I cut it in half and I squeeze. I am an untrained professional. She's making her other masterpiece. That's why I'm doing a lot of this stuff. Time for a cooking class.
Whenever you're gonna cut it, you want to have your fingers like this on the knife here and here. And you want to have your fingers like a claw, so whenever you cut it, it just goes like this and doesn't touch any of your fingernails.
All my fingers are still intact. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, so I'm just gonna eye it, I guess. 1/4 teaspoon, boom. You wanna try it, Angela?
You tried lemon juice. How is sour?
I gotta wash this because I am sanitary.
This is what I'm making. I'm making like healthy muffins. If you want us to make these on a video, answer yes in the poll.
Right here. Don't try lemon juice. Well, we have to mix it again, and it says to mix it on low speed for 30 seconds. But this thing is really fast, so like if you put it on 1, that's your low speed, and this is your low speed. Like,
That was a bad idea.
or maybe I should mix it with the spatula first. You're gonna mix it with the spatula, and then you mix it on medium speed for 2 minutes. This is low speed.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, now we mix it with the hand mixer for 2 minutes on medium speed. Oh, I need a timer. 2 minutes. Now we add flour, all-purpose flour.
You need 2 1/4 cup of flour.
Okay, 1 cup, 2 cups.
2 1/4 cups.
And that.
Once you put the flour in, you're gonna need 1/2 cup of oats.
Oh, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Boom, 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Next, we need a teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon.
After you put the salt in, you're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon.
We're supposed to mix it on low for 45 seconds and don't overmix. Okay, forget that. We're gonna mix it with the spatula. Okay. Oh gosh.
Once you finish mixing everything up, you're gonna put 2 2/3 cups of chocolate chips.
You can also put walnuts, but we don't like walnuts. So I don't think we're gonna put that in.
Yummy.
We're gonna preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna get a pan with parchment paper on it. Angela!
Oh!
Angela! I don't want to do that.
Yay!
We're gonna just get a scoop of cookie dough, which is like 3 tablespoons of cookie dough, and make a ball with it and put it on the pan. And we have to put them 2 inches apart, or else they're gonna connect. Do you not want to touch a cookie dough? Oh my gosh.
Whenever your oven has preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, then you need to put it in the oven for 20 to 23 minutes.
We have about half the batch left, and we're gonna add about 3/4 cup of walnuts. So while we were making cookies and Angela was making the muffins, my mom made her masterpiece. You wanna explain how you did it?
This is a vanilla cheese, cream cheese custard. And this is something that we eat a whole lot in Puerto Rico. So I just decided to give it a try using the Instant Pot. And it's basically condensed milk, evaporated milk, 3 eggs and cream cheese in it. 10 minutes in the Instant Pot, and voila, this is what we got. It's going to my son. He's gonna try.
This is the rest of our batch with chopped walnuts and chocolate chips. This time we're going to be doing the taste test, and this is what they look like. And we're going to see if they actually taste like the ones from Hilton.
It's good.
I think we nailed it. It tastes just like the ones from the hotel. And that was our DoubleTree by Hilton cookies
With a twist.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and share, and comment down below some of your recipes you want us to try. Bye.